Alright guys, I had to make a part 2 of this because my camera died. So we're gonna catch more glimpses of this thunderstorm.
Hopefully it doesn't die again.
If you're watching this though, make sure, you go back and you watch part 1 before you watch part 2.
Show them on the bottom of our road. It's like...
Well, you can't really see it, but there's like big puddles of water from the rain.
Puddles. A car stopped because it was stopped.
That wasn't that right. Get on your knees.
Oh my gosh.
So we don't get shocked by lightning. Be quiet. I'm trying to hear this.
Okay.
Now
I think that's opened.
The window's open right now, so sorry if it's loud. But that's just the rain.
The other one was loud.
Shh, let's be quiet.
Oh, that's a tiny bit. Part of one, there's like a big one. Alright, stop. What are you doing?
Getting the rain off the window. Hey, watch out.
That didn't work at all.
I haven't uploaded in a while, so I just figured, hey, why not just upload this? So, that's what I'm doing. Oh, goodness. I want to see if there's any boats over here. I want to see if there's boats over there. Oh, it's starting to pour down really hard.
Yeah.
I can't tell if there's
We never had a thunderstorm this bad.
Well, sometimes, but they're not too bad.
Huh?
Awesome. Okay. I want to see if we can catch bolts, but I'm not seeing any.
At Plymouth, we just took the video, but you didn't bring your phone. Because we literally seen light bulbs.
Whoa!
That was so light.
That was bright.
But that was like a minute or a second. That wasn't very long.
That's strike down somewhere over there again.
That struck somewhere.
It's definitely getting closer.
Yeah. That's really loud.
Oh.
These are nothing.
Lightning's not too bad, yeah. Oh.
Look how bad it is. It's like
pouring rain right now.
yeah.
Alright, let's be quiet so they can hear the sound. Oh.
I never had one this bad. My hands are low.
I hope you guys can hear the thunder. That was really loud. That was close.
I'm a big loud mouth. My mouth is probably couldn't have heard.
Oh, I hope I caught that. I don't know if I did.
You can't really see on the camera.
I can see it a little bit.
A little bit, but...
What if it hits that power line that's right over there?
Oh,
You
God.
see the power line, guys?
Yeah.
Right there!
Oh, my gosh. It would catch on fire. What was that? Did that hit something? Or
No.
was this in the house?
It was in the house. It was the kitchen. I feel like there's a lot of action happening over there, but I can't catch it.
Then put it in close.
No, don't put it in close. Oh, hold on, leave it. Hold on. I'm just gonna leave it here for a second.
I don't really see anything over there.
That's strike. Something over there. It keeps striking over there.
Yeah. Why?
I don't know. That's just how lightning is.
Good thing it's actually not striking over here, though.
Yeah, that is a good thing.
We'd be dead. Or
No.
not. We're not in a brick house, though.
No, you don't have to be in a brick house in a thunderstorm. You just have to stay away from the windows, which we're not doing.
Yeah, we're staying in the window.
Because I want to put this on YouTube.
I wish we could go outside, but we're not allowed to. Because it's like pouring and we...
Oh my gosh.
What? The whole camera turned light. Light. Why did I say light? Like I said last time in Plymouth. Oh.
Was that a bolt? I didn't really look at that.
I didn't look at anything either. You want me to hold it?
Oh my god. It is starting to pour heavier and heavier.
It's getting heavier?
More and more.
Heavier. Beth, you just said it's getting heavier and heavier, and then it got heavier.
Ooh. The wind's starting to blow a little bit.
Oh,
it's not a hurricane though. That's a good thing.
That's a real good thing. Last time we had a hurricane, but it wasn't so bad.
I don't really know if this is supposed to be a severe thunderstorm, but I just decided to film it. Just because. Next, if we do have a severe thunderstorm, I'll put it on YouTube.
Yeah, you should. What? I heard that, Beth.
The lightning's not bad anymore.
What if it struck? Yeah, last time it was super bad. What if it struck down right in front of the camera?
That'd be crazy.
Yeah. It's not striking down. When are we gonna be done? When it's time to eat?
No, whenever. Probably in like 2 minutes. It's not as bad as it was earlier.
No.
Alright guys, well that's all for this video.
If you like this video,
give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
Oh,
That was big.
Yeah.
But like this video and subscribe to my channel.
And we'll see you on next time.
Bye.